On today's Disney Roundup, new details on Tiana's Bayou adventure, DVC is rumored to be offering a $200 gift card for resort tours, and new buses coming to Walt Disney World. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting off with Parks news, previously said to be included in the attraction, Disney has introduced the new characters that will be inside Tiana's Bayou adventure. In the Bayou, Princess Tiana is getting ready to throw a big party with the band included. We'll follow Tiana and Louis into the Bayou in a last-minute search for this essential missing ingredient for her party, musical critters. In the first critter encounter, we'll discover a group of critter musicians playing a rendition of one of our favorite songs from The Princess and the Frog, Gonna Take You There. This musical recipe of fiddle, accordion, washboard, and other instrument voices will have you singing along as you float down the river under dancing fireflies. Band members include Bahalia the Beaver, Gritty the Rabbit, Bo the Opossum, Apollo the Raccoon, Rufus the Turtle, and Timoleon the Otter. In addition to these talented new friends, Tiana wonders who else we might discover in the Bayou. Bo, Apollo, and Rufus will soon be available in the form of huggable plushies for you to take home. Additionally, over this past week in the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World, ride testing continues with Imagineers and cast members and log flumes, but music can now also be heard during the testing, making it seem we're even closer to an official opening. While no official opening date has still been said up to the recording of this video, I believe we could expect one this month and maybe as early as today, with today being Disney's annual shareholders meeting. Of course, make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned though, and I'll let you know when an official opening date is announced. Starting this month, a new scavenger hunt will be offered at Disneyland Park. Just in time for May the 4th festivities, Disney has shared Star Wars experiences guests will get to take in at Disneyland Resort to celebrate Season of the Force. Debuting during the event, embark on new adventures aboard Star Tours, the adventure continues, and watch the Disneyland Park fireworks from within Star Wars Galaxy's Edge on select nights, plus enjoy specialty themed food, beverages, merchandise, and more for a limited time. New to this year will be Seek and Find, a scavenger hunt. Start at the Star Trader to search for hidden cylinders that reveal a code and receive a keepsake available for a limited time. No further details on it have been shared for the time being. Celebrate Season of the Force takes place from April 5th to June 2nd. Now on outside the parks news, potentially being offered soon, guests who tour DVC property will receive a free Disney gift card. Per WDW News Today, reports they've received are saying that Disney Vacation Club will offer guests a $200 Disney gift card who takes a 30-minute tour at a DVC property. This offer is said to be starting now, and current DVC members are unable to take up on this offer. Guests can tour daily at Bay Lake Tower, Copper Creek Villas, Animal Kingdom Villas, Beach Club Villas, Boardwalk Villas, Polynesian Villas and Bungalows, Riviera Villas and Suites, and villas at the Grand Floridian. Guests can schedule tours at the Resort Welcome Center or online or by phone. Coming to Walt Disney World, Disney has shared they will be adding 90 new buses to their transportation services. Over this past week, Disney shared that they will be adding 90 new buses for transportation at Walt Disney World and even showed a look at some of the new character wraps. Disney says transportation casts are really excited to welcome 90 buses to their Walt Disney World fleets. Rolling out in 2024, guests can travel in style as many of the new buses featured brand new wraps with characters from fan favorite films like Zootopia and Ratatouille, some of which you'll see cast members driving today, with even more debuting throughout the year. These new buses will also be able to carry up to 3 guests using scooters or that are in wheelchairs. Alright everyone, well, that's all for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all for this week. Until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.